All right, let's talk about laying our brick pavers. These ones here are our fresco range, and this colour is colour roux. But first, we need to prep the site and get it ready for the pavers to go down. So what we've got here is we've got 75 to 100 mil of road base that we've run through and compacted. And on top of that, we've got builder's sand. It's a coarse builder's sand. So what we want to do with that is we want to compact that down to 25 to 30 mil. After we've got that compacted, we're going to get our screeds and our levels, and we're going to level the site off so that after the pavers have gone down, we've got that nice flow. So when we do have rain, it's going to all taper off to our water management areas. All right, so today we're going to lay our herringbone pattern in our clay pavers. Now these ones are the alfresco range in colour roux. So what we've got is we've got a soldier course along this edge and along the back edge, and that's going to create a border for our paved section going through this way. So as we've put these clay pavers through this way in L shapes, we'll be able to start working back off that. Making sure you keep them all parallel to each other. Now once we get to about 1 metre off our soldier course, we're going to put a string line in. And that's going to make sure that our pattern stays nice and square. And it's as simple as just wrapping your string line around a paver and having your other end fixed on another paver. Now with these two spaces here, you can see that we've got half a clay paver, so we need to cut some of those up. And they're just going to slot in there, just to finish off our herringbone pattern. Making sure that you keep everything nice and parallel with the neighbour, and following the string line out, we're going to have a nice neat pattern at the end of the job. All right, so now that we've finished laying our herringbone pattern, we're going to get some of this fine grade sand and we're just going to brush it between the joins just to lock everything in place. This is going to help prevent movement through this paved area.